of toy trains, Lionel's Santa Fe F3 is a classic. I recently worked on a few, and no set is truly complete without a matching B unit. But they're pretty expensive, and with the paintwork I've done on the A units, there would be no guarantee that the stripes or colors would really match up. Luckily, I had an unpainted shell and frame that I'd been saving for a special occasion, and this seemed like the perfect time to use it. Four colors and some masking tape were all that was needed for most of the transformation, and when it came time for graphics, I decided to print my own. A computer, a printer, a blank sheet of clear inkjet decal paper, and a spray can of clear allowed me to create the numbers and the lettering. A clear matte finish was used to seal the decals, and I was never too happy with the results. The silver is not shiny at all, so I thought that the flat clear spray on the decals might be a good choice. But once the decals were applied, well, it just didn't look too good. With my computer, if I don't like something, I can undo it by typing in Command Z. But in this case, I'll have to remove the decals the old-fashioned way. Decal setting solution doesn't work or play well with homemade inkjet decals. It tends to shrivel them up instead of helping them lay flat. In this case, I'm hoping that the setting solution will soften and help raise up the edges of my decaled lettering. I let the setting solution do its thing for about half an hour before trying to gently move the decals with the tip of my paintbrush. I like the paint, and I really don't want to do anything to nick or scratch it. But I am sick of these decals. There is a way to get these decals to blend in better with their background color. I could have sprayed a glossy clear coat over the silver, and then also separately onto the printed decals before I applied them. After application, I could have oversprayed the whole thing with a matte or satin clear coat, but that would have ultimately altered how the silver looks by itself. What I like best about the current finish is how closely it matches Lionel's original paint, and a clear coat would sacrifice that look altogether. I'll keep the little GM decal for now. It doesn't look too bad, even though it's not supposed to appear on the B units. The silver looks good, and so do the stripes. And that's enough for me. If you liked this video, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and until next time, this has been Bob's Workshop. Take care.